The Admiralty List of Radio Signals (ALRS) is one of the principal nautical publications used to obtain the interpretive received via maritime radio communications. Kasi gamit na niya the Admiralty List of Radio Signals provides comprehensive information on all aspects of maritime radio communications. Katabang siya sa bridge teams manage communication and comply with reporting requirements during a voyage. If a vessel receive a message by radio, the ALRS is used to identify kasi nag-send ani, sabot what type of message it, whether ba warning or distress, know how to respond or act.
The International Code of Signals, or ICS, is basically a universal language for ships and boats so they can understand each other even if they speak different languages. So, another example, imagine you are out of the sea and something important happens like emergency or mga kanang you need help baron. So, natay kanang mga equipments or kinahanglan na to diha para ma-detecta or mahibaw-an ta ba like flags, lights o sounds. Each flag stands for a letter or message. Ang light for nightmare and communication. Sounds like horns or whistles. So each flags or combination of flags has a meaning. For example, a single flag can mean a specific message. A multiple flags together can form more detailed instructions. So, ang example sa one flag is, I have a diver below, keep clear, more naghatag ka og awareness ba? Ang two or more flags, kanang more detailed message like I need medical help nganong importante man. So help ships communicate quickly, makatabang yun siya like mga og magub-an mo mga equipment like walkie-talkie mo kontak mo lain ba maka-prevent po jeg accident sa dagat mo lagi tawang gingon nga makagamit maka-communicate ka biskang wala ning mga butanga radio or mga internet baron. So gamit gyud kasi during emergencies.
In maritime industry, publication from the International Telecommunication Union or ITU provide essential standard for shipboard communication and radio system. They give the proper use of radio frequencies to ensure the safe efficient interaction between ships and coastal situation. So proper siya essential siya for ships and for voyage for the ship para mag-communicate sila both land and seas. These publications support systems like Global Maritime Distress and Safety Systems (GMDSS). Ang GMDSS is for Distress and Safety System. Kanang if na disaster yung barko mag radio mo katong radio broad na to kung makakuha ng distress signal ang mga other ships required sila na mo tabang sa inyo. They also help ensure that communication equipped on board vessel complies with international regulation. So ang communication equipment on board kay dapat makapasar sa standard na international regulation. So dapat yun na every time sa barko ay essential na siya for communication and for emergencies. Overall, ITO publications play an important role in enhancing maritime safety, navigation, and global communication at sea. Kay ang ITO ay enhancing siya for safety kay for communications and for distress signals or emergencies.